The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment and local public health agencies want to remind residents that rabies is on the rise and it's mainly being carried through skunks and bats.
The amount of skunk rabies that we are observing is very unusual. We haven't seen this level of disease in decades.
The skunks are spreading the disease to other animals,
like mountain lions and foxes and horses and even cats.
All mammals are at risk of contracting the disease, including humans. It's transferred through an infected animal's saliva, usually from a bite.
Rabies is a very serious infection. Once symptoms begin, it's almost always a fatal disease. There aren't a lot of infections that are that serious.
Fortunately, protection is available and easy through your local veterinarian.
People can protect themselves and their pets by keeping their dogs and cats up to date on rabies shots.
Cornelia Vies lives in Calhan and has a number of animals on her property.
2 horses, 5 goats plus babies, 4 dogs, 5 cats.
Cornelia has taken the time to get all her animals vaccinated by her veterinarian.
A fence is not going to prevent it. You cannot keep the wild animal away.
If your pet is bitten by a rabid animal and is not vaccinated, most likely your pet will get sick from rabies, and your family is at risk of getting rabies from your pet. It's also crucial for people to stay away from wildlife.
Teach your children not to pick up or touch or feed a wild animal or even an unfamiliar animal.
Be especially concerned if you discover a skunk acting unusual on your property or behaving like it is sick.
You may see an animal being more agitated, maybe stumbling, difficulty walking, may seem weak, or the animal may become extremely quiet and docile and sort of unusual for the characteristic of that animal.
If a skunk is acting sick or injured, call your area Division of Wildlife office. If a skunk appears healthy, leave it alone, but remove your pets from the area. If you find a skunk dead on your property and contact with your pets cannot be ruled out, call your local animal control or public health office. Vaccination through your vet is a simple and effective way to protect your pets and your family from this deadly disease. Keep in mind, vaccinations by owners will not be recognized by animal control for licensing or by local public health if your animals are exposed to rabies.
It's really important that everybody pitch in, everybody stay aware, and everybody keep their pets up to date on rabies shots.
For more information about skunk rabies, you can visit the website of the Colorado Department of Health and Environment at cdphe.state.co.us.